The end result of this recipe is going to blow your mind. This treatment will not only boost your hair growth but also prevent hair loss, hair thinning, or any hair damages. It's going to strengthen your hair follicles and help you grow much stronger and healthier hair. It's going to leave your hair very softer, shinier, and easy to manage. This has been part of my hair treatments ever since my hair got damaged with chemicals, and now my hair is flourishing. So if you really want to know how I achieved this treatment and how it has helped me or how to use it, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Do not skip any part of it. Let's get into it. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So my first ingredient for today's treatment is the aloe vera leaf. I love to use my fresh aloe vera leaves, and before using it, I make sure to wash it. Then I cut it into chunks like so. After that, I leave it in water for a couple of hours to help reduce the latex. This will help prevent it from itching my skin. And hey guys, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, please give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you do not miss any of my DIY videos. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair much faster. And I also do simple hairstyle tutorials that you can rock. And hey, yo moms, I got you. I do kids hairstyle tutorials as well. So it's always jamming on this channel. Make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload videos like these, you will be notified. Alright, so I'm just trying to get my aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaves. You can use your spoon, your knife, or any method that is really easy for you. But this is the most simplest way that you can get your juice out. So I'm just scraping them out, and after that, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use this juice for. Alright, so our next ingredient is carrots. Carrots are really great for our natural hair. I love eating carrots, but when I discovered carrots can help me grow my hair faster, I have been stuck to it because I love what it does to my hair. Carrots contain vitamin A and E, which both help improve blood circulation on the scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. Carrots are rich in beta-carotenes, which can help prevent hair loss. They are also rich in vitamins A, C, and also vitamin B. This all helps strengthen your hair follicles. So after cutting my carrots into smaller pieces, I put them on the hot water and I boil them for about 30 minutes or till it's really tender to touch. And this is how my carrots are looking. I allow it to cool down before straining out the water. I am not going to throw the water away. I'm going to keep it because I'm going to use the same water to blend my carrot into a smooth paste. At this point, I transfer my carrots into my blender and I add some of the water that I strained from the carrot. Okay, girlfriend, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you do not miss any of my videos. Alright, the next ingredient I'm going to add is banana. Bananas are really great for our hair. If you're someone with dry or dull hair, girl, then you should love bananas. I love eating bananas. But you know what? Bananas have potassium, which helps soften your hair and help with hair growth. It prevents hair breakages and also improves the overall strength of your hair. At this point, I'm going to add the aloe vera gel. And our next ingredient we're going to add is the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, when used as a hair mask, adds shine and strengthens your hair from the root to the tip. The main ingredient in mayonnaise are egg and oil. And the high amount of protein in eggs helps strengthen and thicken hair follicles, which in turn thicken your hair and help you grow your hair much faster and much fuller. Alright, so I blend everything together and it's time for me to strain it. This part is very important because you do not want to leave any pops in your hair. So make sure you are straining this very, very well. You can use your cheesecloth, wire cups, or anything with tiny holes. Just make sure whatever you are using is really clean. Do not grab that old wire cup and use it because you're going to contaminate your treatment. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add some coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for our natural hair. It helps strengthen the hair follicles It can prevent dandruff and improve the overall health of your scalp. I'm also going to add some castor oil. Castor oil is really great for our hair. It helps condition the hair and improve the overall strength of the hair. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my organic extra virgin olive oil. You all know I love olive oil. Olive oil can add some shine to the hair, strengthen the hair strands, and also help prevent dandruff. Okay, so at this point I'm going to stir everything together and I'm going to show you the best way to use this to boost your hair growth. And hey girlfriend, if you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it because I enjoyed filming it. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. I'm going to show you how to use this treatment. So before I use this treatment, I make sure my hair is washed. I first wash my hair with my shampoo and I dry it. Then after that, I apply the treatment. I make sure to apply the treatment in sections because I want each hair follicle or each hair strand on my head to get this treatment. So working in section makes it much easier and also ensures that every part of your hair gets this treatment. You apply it into it, you use your fingers to detangle your hair, you massage it into your hair and your scalp, then after that you put it in a twist to retain the moisture. This treatment will help prevent hair breakages, hair thinning. If you are someone who also experiences hair dryness, if your hair is really dull and it needs some energy, girl, you might want to give this treatment a try and come back and thank me later. Okay, so I'm just going to work my way throughout the whole hair and I'm going to repeat the same procedure, applying it, massaging it into the hair and putting it into a twist. After making sure every part of my hair gets this treatment, I'm going to put a shower cap on my hair and I'm going to wait for about an hour. Then I'm going to wash it out. Okay, it's been an hour, people, and this is how my hair is looking. Look at how soft, how beautiful my hair is looking. You might want to give this treatment a try. Okay, now we need to get all this carrot out of my hair. And I just wash my hair and this is how it's looking. Make sure to condition your hair. And I'm going to show you how I condition my hair. This step is very important after every good treatment to your hair. You need to condition your hair. And today I'm using the Cream of Nature sulfate-free conditioner to condition my hair. I start by sectioning my hair into about 6 sections. Then I go ahead and apply the conditioner in the hair. After each section, I put it in a twist and I'm going to leave it and move on to the next section till I'm done with the whole hair. After that, I'm going to put a shower cap on it and I'm going to wait for about 45 minutes before rinsing it out. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking after rinsing the conditioner out. And another important step is to always apply a leave-in conditioner to your hair. This will help moisturize your hair and also keep it from breaking. Then after that, I go in with my coconut oil. Today, I'm using the LOC method, which is my leave-in, my oil, and my cream. Today, I'm going to use a treatment I made myself using the Indian hemp hair grease. This combination will help you grow your hair much faster. I'm going to leave a link to this recipe, so make sure to check it out. And guys, look at how my hair is looking. I'm loving it. Beautiful, soft, and easy to manage. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video today. I hope you really enjoyed watching. And I know you've already given this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell. But before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.